Making money online is a huge goal for so many people today, and for a really good reason. The internet has opened up a world of possibilities that just didn't exist a few decades ago. You can start a business from your own living room with very little money. Think about it. You don't need to rent an expensive office or a big storefront. You just need a computer, an internet connection, and a great idea. This low barrier to entry means that almost anyone can try their hand at building something for themselves. It's a powerful way to take control of your financial future and build an asset that works for you, even when you are sleeping. The best part about an online business is the freedom it can give you. You can set your own hours and work from anywhere in the world. Imagine not having to deal with a daily commute or a boss looking over your shoulder. This flexibility is a game changer. It lets you design your life around your work, not the other way around. Whether you want to spend more time with your family, travel the world, or just have a better work-life balance, an online business can be the key. The potential for income is also incredible. Unlike a regular job where your salary is fixed, your online business can grow and make more and more money over time. Now, let's be very clear about this. Starting an online business is not a get-rich-quick scheme. I see so many people fall for that trap. They think they can just click a few buttons and watch the money roll in. That is simply not how it works. It takes real work, dedication, and a lot of patience. You will face challenges, and you will make mistakes along the way. That's a normal part of the process. The people who succeed are the ones who understand this from the beginning. They are prepared to put in the effort, learn from their failures, and keep pushing forward, even when it gets tough. So, the dream is absolutely real, but it's a dream you have to build yourself. It starts with a simple decision to take action. You don't need to be an expert in business or have a fancy degree. You just need the drive to learn and the willingness to start small. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and your journey to online income starts with the simple steps we're going to talk about next. The opportunity is right there in front of you. You just have to be willing to reach out and grab it with both hands. The first step on your journey is finding the right business idea. This is the foundation of everything, so you want to get it right. Don't overthink this part. Your idea doesn't have to be something brand new that nobody has ever thought of before. You can look at what you are good at or what you are passionate about. Are you great at baking cookies? You could sell gourmet cookies online. Do you love to draw? You could sell custom art prints. Think about problems you can solve for people. Maybe you can create helpful guides or offer a service like video editing. The key is to choose something you enjoy, because you'll be spending a lot of time on it. Once you have an idea, it's time for step 2, research. This part is so important and so many people skip it. You need to find out if there are actually people who will pay for your product or service. This is called market research. Go online and look for competitors. See what they are doing well and what they are doing wrong. You can use tools like Google Trends to see if people are searching for keywords related to your idea. You should also figure out who your ideal customer is. Are they young? Old? What are their interests? Knowing your customer will help you sell to them much more effectively. With your idea and research done, you can move to step 3, making a simple plan. This doesn't have to be a 100-page business plan. Just a simple document will do. Write down your business name. Figure out how much money you will need to start. How will you price your products? How will you let people know about your business? This is your marketing plan. Writing it all down makes your idea feel real and gives you a clear path to follow. It helps you stay organized and focused on your goals. Your plan will be your roadmap, guiding your decisions as you build your business from the ground up. Finally, step 4 is setting up your online shop. This is where your business comes to life. You need a place on the internet for customers to find you and buy from you. This could be a simple website you build using a platform like Shopify or Wix. These platforms make it incredibly easy to create a professional-looking store without needing to know how to code. You can also start by selling on social media platforms like Instagram or Facebook Marketplace. Just create a business profile, take some nice photos of your product, write a clear description, and you are ready to start making your first sales. Now that your online shop is set up, you need to make it look good. Think of your website or social media page as your digital storefront. When people walk by a physical store, a nice window display makes them want to go inside. Your online presence works the same way. A clean, professional, and visually appealing design builds trust with your visitors. It tells them that you are serious about your business and that you care about their experience. People are more likely to buy from a website that looks trustworthy and is easy to navigate. First impressions matter a lot online, so make yours count. One of the best ways to grab attention is by using cool effects and simple animations. You don't need to turn your website into a crazy light show. I'm talking about small, subtle movements that make the user experience better. For example, you could have a button that changes color when you hover your mouse over it. Or you could have product images that gently fade into view as you scroll down the page. These little details make your site feel more interactive and alive. They guide the customer's eye to important information, like an add to cart button, and make browsing your shop a more enjoyable experience for them. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine you are selling handmade leather wallets. On your product page, instead of just having a static picture, you could have a short looping video or an animated GIF that shows the wallet being opened and closed. This simple animation shows the product in action and gives the customer a much better idea of its quality and features. You could also add a little animation to your logo, or have your customer testimonials slide onto the screen. These small touches add a layer of professionalism and polish that can set you apart from your competitors who just have boring, static pages. The great news is that you don't need to be a design expert or a programmer to add these effects. Many modern website builders and social media tools have these features built right in. You can often add animations with just a few clicks. The key is to use them wisely. Don't overdo it. The goal is to enhance the user experience, not distract from it. Keep it simple, keep it clean, and focus on animations that highlight your products and make it easier for customers to make a purchase. A little bit of visual flair can go a long way in turning a visitor into a paying customer. Starting your business is a huge accomplishment, but it's really just the beginning of the journey. The online world changes fast, so the most important thing you can do is to keep learning. You have to stay curious. Read blogs, watch videos, and listen to podcasts about online marketing, social media trends, and e-commerce strategies. There is always something new to learn that can help you improve your business. The more you know, the better you will be at adapting to changes and finding new opportunities for growth. Never think that you know everything. The moment you stop learning is the moment your business stops growing. Along this journey, you are going to face setbacks. It is guaranteed. You will have days with no sales. You might get a negative review. A marketing campaign you were excited about might not work at all. This is where so many people give up. They see these challenges as signs of failure. But they are not. They are learning opportunities. Every successful entrepreneur has a long list of failures they had to overcome. The key is to not get discouraged. Look at what went wrong, figure out why, and use that knowledge to make better decisions in the future. Persistence is your most valuable asset. Remember to be patient with yourself and with your business. Success rarely happens overnight. It's built slowly, day by day, through consistent effort. Celebrate the small wins along the way. Your first sale, your first positive comment, your first 100 followers. These are all important milestones. They show that you are on the right track. Building a sustainable business is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about showing up every day and doing the work, even when you don't feel like it. Over time, all those small, consistent actions will add up to create something truly amazing and profitable. Finally, don't be afraid to ask for help and connect with others. You are not alone on this journey. There are huge communities of online entrepreneurs who are happy to share advice and support. And if you're looking for more simple, actionable tips to help you build and grow your online business, make sure you subscribe to Histora Trail. We are constantly sharing valuable information designed to help you succeed. Keep pushing forward, stay focused on your goals, and never ever give up on your dream. You have what it takes to make it happen. Now go out there and build something incredible.